Hello, my name is Frank Butler. I have arthritis in my hands and in my feet, and these Tesla sandals seem to work real well for me. The biggest problem with these Tesla sandals is they tend to delaminate. The bottom sole will come off from the top part of the sole, and the first time I tried to repair this, I used original Gorilla Glue. Original Gorilla Glue, you have to use clamps, and it expands, and when it expands, it tends, even with the clamps on it, for the glue to ooze out of the spot where the bottom sole comes to the top sole. Well, the repair lasted about 6 months, and it looks like the glue on the top part of the sole just broke apart. So what I am going to have to do is to clean this off and use a new glue that I've discovered on YouTube called Cubon. So we'll take a break now while I clean this. Okay, I cleaned the sole up as best I could, and I'll have to give Gorilla Glue some credit because the glue that went down into the sole from the clamps is just embedded right in the shoe, and I did clean up enough spots that I think that I can laminate the sole back again with this Cubon if the Cubon really works. This is the product, Cubon. I don't own any stock in it or have any connection with it or anything, but I saw a demonstration on YouTube of somebody just using a few drops and connecting an industrial O-ring and then using it on a machine, and I'll have to tell you, I was impressed. One thing I learned having used this Cubon is definitely wear rubber gloves, because you can get some of that stuff on your hands quite quickly, and you don't want to do that. You don't use much of it at a time, and it runs. But we'll see. It works in this instance. You never know until you try. And there's an old saying in Virginia Beach, nothing beats a try but a failure. So I have penetrated the Cubon, and I'm putting a few drops on the rubber part, in particular around the top edge of the sole. And I'm going to, the instructions don't say to do this, but I'm going to put a few drops around the top edge too. Then all we do, and we don't use clamps, we hold it tight for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Some of you will note that I double that time because I really didn't time it by a watch. And it's stuck together, and it looks pretty good. A couple of pieces of delaminating. Well, I don't know if that's the glue or if I didn't hold it long enough. But anyway, we'll see how it holds up.